Ever think about your kidneys? Probably not often. These small, bean-shaped organs are often overlooked, but they play a crucial role in your overall health. But these bean-shaped organs are working hard for you day in and day out. They filter your blood, removing waste and excess fluids, and help balance your body's electrolytes. They're like your body's personal cleaning crew, filtering out waste and toxins to keep you healthy. Imagine them as diligent workers, tirelessly ensuring that your internal environment remains clean and balanced. Just like you need to clean your house regularly, you need to keep your kidneys in tip-top shape. A clean house feels good, right? Similarly, well-functioning kidneys contribute to your overall well-being, and just like certain cleaning products can be harsh, some foods can put extra stress on your kidneys. High-sodium foods, processed snacks, and sugary drinks can all make your kidneys work harder than they should. That's why it's important to be mindful of what you eat, especially before bed. Late-night snacking on unhealthy foods can disrupt your kidneys' natural rhythm and make them work overtime. When you eat certain foods close to bedtime, you could be making your kidneys work overtime while you sleep. This can lead to discomfort and even long-term health issues if it becomes a habit. Let's explore how to give your kidneys the love they deserve by making smart food choices. Opt for fresh fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and plenty of water. Your kidneys will thank you for it, and you'll feel better overall. Your kidneys are incredible organs tucked away in your lower back. Don't let their small size fool you. They're responsible for some big jobs. Think of your kidneys like tiny filters that constantly clean your blood. They remove waste products, excess water, and toxins, flushing them out as urine. This filtering process is crucial for maintaining the right balance of fluids and electrolytes in your body, but that's not all. Your kidneys also produce hormones that regulate blood pressure, make red blood cells, and keep your bones strong. So let's treat these hardworking organs with respect by giving them the fuel they need to thrive. We all get those late-night cravings, but did you know that some snacks can be sneaky saboteurs for your kidneys? Before you reach for that midnight treat, consider this. Eating certain foods close to bedtime can put extra stress on your kidneys, making them work harder while you sleep. Let's uncover the culprits you might want to avoid before hitting the hay. We'll explore salty snacks, processed meats, sugary desserts, and those tempting caffeinated drinks. Stay tuned to learn how these seemingly harmless treats can impact your kidney health. We all love a sprinkle of salt to enhance flavor, making our meals more enjoyable and tasty. But too much of a good thing can be detrimental to your kidneys and overall health. When you consume excessive salt, your kidneys have to work harder to filter out the excess sodium, which can be taxing on these vital organs. This added stress can lead to high blood pressure, a major risk factor for kidney disease and other cardiovascular issues. Think of it like this. Your kidneys are like delicate filters designed to keep your body in balance, and too much salt can clog them up over time, just like how too many impurities can block a water filter. So, how can you keep your salt intake in check and protect your kidneys? Be mindful of processed foods, which are often loaded with hidden sodium that can sneak into your diet without you even realizing it. Read labels carefully to understand the sodium content in the foods you buy. Look for low-sodium options and be aware of serving sizes. Opt for fresh, whole foods whenever possible, such as fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. These natural foods are not only healthier, but also free from added sodium. Cooking at home allows you to control the amount of salt in your meals. Experiment with herbs and spices to add flavor without relying on salt. Staying hydrated is also important as it helps your kidneys function properly and flush out excess sodium. Regular exercise can help manage blood pressure and improve overall kidney health. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate activity most days of the week. By making these small changes, you can protect your kidneys and enjoy better health. Remember, moderation is key when it comes to salt. We've all been there. That tempting bag of chips or pre-packaged meal seems like the perfect quick fix. But while processed foods may be convenient, they're often packed with ingredients that can harm your kidneys over time. Think preservatives, artificial colors, and flavor enhancers. These additives create a heavy workload for your kidneys, which have to work overtime to filter them out. Moreover, processed meats like bacon, sausage, and deli meats are particularly high in sodium and phosphorus, putting extra strain on your kidneys. Making healthier choices doesn't have to be complicated. Start by swapping out processed options for fresh fruits, vegetables, and lean protein sources. That slice of cake or scoop of ice cream may satisfy your sweet tooth, but it can also spell trouble for your kidneys. Consuming sugary treats before bed can lead to spikes in blood sugar levels, putting extra stress on your kidneys. Over time, this can contribute to weight gain and increase your risk of developing type 2 diabetes, a leading cause of kidney disease. Remember, moderation is key. Indulge in sweet treats occasionally, but make sure they're not a regular part of your bedtime routine. Opt for naturally sweet options like fruits or a small piece of dark chocolate to satisfy your cravings without compromising your kidney health. That cup of coffee or tea might be your go-to for an energy boost, but caffeine can be a sneaky culprit when it comes to kidney health, especially before bed. Caffeine acts as a diuretic, meaning it increases urine production. While this isn't necessarily harmful in moderation, consuming caffeinated beverages close to bedtime can disrupt your sleep and put extra stress on your kidneys throughout the night. To protect your kidneys and promote restful sleep, ditch the caffeine a few hours before bed. Instead, opt for soothing caffeine-free alternatives like herbal teas or warm milk with a dash of cinnamon. Now that we've covered foods to avoid before bed, let's focus on what you can enjoy to support your kidney health while you sleep. Think of these nighttime snacks as a way to nourish your body and give your kidneys a well-deserved break. Fruits like berries, cherries, and grapes are packed with antioxidants and have low potassium content, making them kidney-friendly choices. Herbal teas like chamomile, ginger, and rooibos are naturally caffeine-free and can promote relaxation and digestion. Incorporating kidney-friendly foods into your diet doesn't have to be complicated or restrictive. In fact, it can be a delightful journey of discovering new flavors and textures that are both delicious and beneficial for your health. Here are some additional tips for making smart choices that support your kidney health. By being mindful of what you eat, you can make a significant impact on your overall well-being and kidney function. Choose lean protein sources. Opt for fish, chicken, beans, lentils, and tofu as excellent sources of protein that are easier on your kidneys compared to red meat. These options not only provide essential nutrients, but also help in maintaining muscle mass and energy levels. Load up on fruits and vegetables. These nutritional powerhouses are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health, including kidney function. Incorporating a variety of colors in your diet ensures you get a wide range of nutrients that can help in reducing inflammation and oxidative stress on your kidneys. Make water your go-to beverage. Staying hydrated is crucial for kidney health. Water helps in flushing out toxins and waste products from your body, reducing the risk of kidney stones and urinary tract infections. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day to help your kidneys flush out waste products efficiently. Carry a water bottle with you as a reminder to stay hydrated and try to drink a glass of water before each meal. Limit your intake of processed foods. These foods are often loaded with unhealthy ingredients that can be detrimental to your kidney health. We've talked about the perils of processed foods, but it's worth reiterating. Processed foods can be high in sodium, phosphorus, and other additives that can strain your kidneys and lead to long-term health issues. These often contain high amounts of sodium, phosphorus, and additives that can burden your kidneys. By choosing fresh, whole foods and cooking at home, you can better control the ingredients and ensure you're eating in a way that supports your kidney health. Taking care of your kidneys doesn't require drastic measures. Simple, sustainable changes to your diet can make a world of difference in the long run. Think of it like this. You wouldn't neglect cleaning your house for months on end, right? Similarly, making conscious choices about what you eat is like giving your kidneys a regular cleaning routine, helping them function optimally for years to come. Remember, you don't have to be perfect. Every small step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is a victory for your kidneys. Your kidneys are amazing organs that work tirelessly to keep you healthy. By understanding the impact of your dietary choices, you can give your kidneys the love and support they deserve. Remember, it's not about deprivation, but rather about making conscious choices that nourish your body and promote optimal kidney function. So tonight, before you reach for that late-night snack, pause and consider the impact it might have on your kidneys. Choose foods that will fuel your body, promote